Hello, this is Sunrise Daily TV, your #1 news and entertainment channel. My name is Prince Chimeze Richards, the CEO of Sunrise Daily TV and Sunrise Youth Entrepreneur Initiative, LTD GT. Please make Sunrise Daily TV your #1 news channel.
Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite boy, TC Virus, aka Uncle Director. Guys, I want you to subscribe to Sunrise Daily TV. Sunrise Daily TV.
Now beg at the beg una. Subscribe for more updates.
Hello viewers, welcome to Sunrise Daily TV. This is another round of Critics program. I am your host, Obasi Madonna Chinonyere Posha, and here is my colleague. Some personnel of the Nigerian Secret Police, Department of State Service (DSS), have been caught in a video jubilating over the resignation of the immediate past Director General Yusuf Bichi. President Ahmed Bola Tinubu had approved on Monday the appointment of new Directors General of the National Intelligence Agency (NIA) and the Department of State Service (DSS) on Monday. According to the President's spokesperson, Ajuri Ngalale, in a release on Monday, Ambassador Mohammed is the new Director General of the NIA. Mr. Adeola Oluwatosin Ajayi is the new Director General of the DSS. Okay, Kelvin, what do you think could be making these people to rejoice over the resignation of the former DSS Director General?
Well, I think the boss is not treating his personnel that fine. Like maybe he's paying them salaries, not paying them, treating them bad. Because to me, that's occur to such jubilation. Like the boys jubilating when the boss is being sacked. Yes, I think that's the case.
Anyways, I think you have a point there, because it is very, very important that we treat our workers very well.
Sure.
I don't really know what their reasons are, but I think, Kelvin, you have a point there.
For you.
Stay tuned while we take this advert.
I want to bring this to your notice. You can get all kinds of phones and phone accessories, all kinds of Android phones at Sunrise Gold Express. We are also using this opportunity to inform you that they also do easy buy. In case you don't have complete money, they also do easy buy. Just go and get your phone and deposit like 60 to 70% and be paying instrumentally till you finish up. Sunrise Gold Express is located at Area L, Zone 4, Trinity Road, behind World Bank Market, Owerri, Imo State. The first plaza painted brown behind World Bank Market, Owerri, Imo State. They sell all kinds of Android phone: Samsung S10, S20, Samsung Galaxy Note 20, Note 10, Note 20 Ultra, Infinix Hot 30, Hot 30i, Hot 40, Hot 40i, Xiaomi, Oppo, Hawaii, etc., etc. Hurry up now and grab your own. They have different kinds of accessories such as ring lights, MP3, chargers, car phone hanger. Whatever you need is in their store. All their products comes from abroad, direct from abroad. It is not fairly used. They don't sell fairly used. They don't sell Tokumbo. They sell brand new phones. If you want to contact them, just look at your screen, look on your screen, you will see their phone contacts, all their details are boldly written on the flyer and signposts displaying on your screen. The first the Airtel number 08126741816 is on WhatsApp, while you can call directly on 08066298203. This is the contacts you can use to get them directly.
You're welcome back to the program. A primary school teacher identified as Yakubu Mohammed has been shot dead, while 2 of his children were abducted by gunmen suspected to be bandits in Lokoguma community, Gadabuke district, from the total local government area of Nasarawa state. It was learned that 7 other residents, including 2 women, were also abducted during the incident that happened on Friday around 12 a.m. A woman was also said to have sustained bullet injuries during the attack. The State Police Public Relations Officer, DSS Ramhan Nasel, who confirmed the incident to newsmen on Tuesday, said investigation had been launched. He added that effort was going on to rescue the victims and arrest the culprits. Wow, this is really touching. Kelvin, what do you have to say about the issue of banditry in the north?
It's just a result of poverty, unemployment, bad government. These are the things causing banditry in the north.
Okay, I think you have a point there. I mean, insecurity is so alarming in the country these days. Not only in the north, even here in southeast, we hear cases of banditry, unknown gunmen, and the government doesn't seem to be doing anything about it.
Trust them, they keep dirty ears, always.
And they'll keep promising, we'll do.
And they won't do anything for you.
Okay, move to the next. The Cameroonian military helicopter has reportedly crashed after Separatist militants believed to be Black Marine fired several explosives targeting the helicopter. It was gathered that the military aircraft combed Abana, Bakassi Peninsula to dislodge Separatists who have seized control of Abana waterfront since 5 days. Eyewitness said 2 sounds of bomb explosion was heard. The helicopter quickly diverted with much smoke pouring out. It is not clear where the aircraft landed. The issue of Biafra is really getting out of hand. What do you have to say about this?
Well, I believe every group has their demands and agendas. Like, it seems the government has refused to pay attention to their own personal demands. Like, they're gonna do more things for real. Because the governments are paying deaf ears to such instruments. Like, you don't want to say what they're doing for real. They're not coming up with any good news or anything relating to their requests.
I think you have a point there. I also have heard about this militant separatists in Cameroon. I mean, how do they get there?
For sometimes, like, I think the same thing. How do they even get there? Like, these people are making movements every day, day and night.
Well, I think the Biafran thing is really spreading, and until they get what they want, I don't think they are.
And governments have to do something about it.
I'm telling you seriously. Okay, I've also heard about the 1 month sit at home. Kelvin, I don't know. What do you think? What do you have to say?
That's just for government workers. I don't think it has anything to do with the businessmen.
Businessmen, okay.
Yeah, I think the business will still move on.
Well, but it's still not going to be easy though. I mean, it's
for them to not be busy, to affect things.
At this point, we've come to the end of today's Critic program. I am still your host, Obasimadona Chinoneren Porsche, and here is my colleague. I hope you enjoyed our program today. Do well to drop your comments at our comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. For your advert placement and event coverage, do well to contact the details on your screen.
Hello, this is Sunrise Daily TV, your number one news and entertainment channel. My name is Prince Chimeze Richards, the CEO of Sunrise Daily TV and Sunrise Youth Entrepreneur Initiative, LTD GT. Please make Sunrise Daily TV your number one news channel.
Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite boy, Separatist, aka Oga Director. Guys, I want you to subscribe to Sunrise Daily TV. Sunrise Daily TV.
Now beg at the beg una. Subscribe for more.